The top Forex traders in Dubai and the UAE are IG, Saxo Bank, and Interactive Brokers, IBKR. IG is regulated by the DFSA and offers tight spreads, advanced charting tools, and a strong global reputation. Saxo Bank, licensed under ADGM, provides deep asset coverage and professional-grade analytics, making it ideal for serious traders. IBKR combines low commissions with global market access and robust platform features, also under the FSA oversight. On the riskier side, brokers like Xnova, Pocket Option, and Olymp Trade should be avoided. Xnova lacks UAE licensing and has been flagged for misleading marketing. Pocket Option operates in the binary options space with no top-tier regulation and frequent withdrawal complaints. Olymp Trade is offshore-based, aggressively marketed, and not overseen by the FSA and ADGM. For safety and transparency, stick with brokers regulated by UAE authorities and avoid platforms that promise unrealistic returns or operate without clear oversight.